Morning, babies. The sound from these things that hurts in the ears in the morning. Listen. I filled a bit in my tank and now I have only the half, and this is, yeah, it's more safe from the explosion. And the second step is to fill up the engine oil with this, but it needs to dry a bit. Oops. The car is not really like that, you know, it's a bit, that's why it shows full, but it isn't full. And I didn't feel the oil in, the engine oil, since July, and I think that's not possible. It needs oil. It's maybe less than 6 months. Should I do a tiny bit inside, but I'm not sure. Or I check it the next time again when it's right, when they have the right position in the car. Can you see? It's not really here battles what I never saw in my life. And he looks empty. He is empty, I think. I get flowers from a man. He is not really right in the head, but it's so cute. He come to my car. There's from the other there. They're sleeping there with his family. And he come and give me that and say, yeah, this is for you. So cute. Had not so long time no flowers from a man, and this is there after I don't know how many years. So cute. And now I wanna drive to NAMBUCCA. It's not so far, 48 kilometers. I hope my car works till then. Then I make a stop in McDonald's, upload all the videos, and then I wanna go to the NAMBUCCA heads. It's very beautiful. I hope I can charge the drone and, yeah, have a flight. Let's see. What for street? That is very windy. I don't know, is it possible for the drone or not? But let's try. I'll show you how slippy the floor is. Okay, now I've been in the sand. It's okay, but it's so slippy. It's so hot that it's melting. How beautiful is that? And I'm now with Luke.
Hi.
We met us 5 minutes ago. And now we go down for a walk. We have a picnic cook.
Doing a little cook up.
Yeah, it's so beautiful here. My heart is melting when I see the doggies playing. Babies, I'm not on the way to my sleep area. I'm on the way to follow him. He helped to fix my car. We bought this year to fix the crack in my bottle, in the plastic bottle where the water, cooling water inside is. And yeah, we are in 9 minutes back in habe, where I've been yesterday. But yeah, so fast can the plan change, but I feel them better when it's fixed. And yeah, let's see what's happened. But I think good things with this car. We start to fixing the crack, and for that we need first to let the cool water out here, and we block this with my makeup pen. What is the name? Pencil, yeah. We did the first part, but very thin on the crack area, and now we do the second, and a lot of them.
Yeah, it's a lot thicker this time, so hopefully it catches anything that wants to leak.
It makes us a lot of fun to glue something, and that's why we looking for things what we can glue. That one looks good for gluing. But let's see, is it working with this lovely rock? Let's see tomorrow how is the leak going. Yeah, wish you good night, babies. We'll see you tomorrow.